What's the meaning of Christopher Columbus? Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus.
Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer and navigator who completed 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean, opening the door for European exploration and colonization of the Americas. He is widely credited with initiating the transatlantic slave trade and sparking the global exchange of goods, ideas, and diseases that came to be known as the Columbian Exchange. Columbus remains a controversial figure due to his treatment of indigenous peoples and the ongoing legacy of colonialism and racism in the Americas.